When most people think about building up an emergency food supply, their minds immediately jump to canned goods stacked high on pantry shelves or those freeze-dried meals tucked away in storage rooms. These options are popular for a reason. They're convenient, familiar, and have a decent shelf life. But what if I told you there's another category of food that's just as essential, yet often flies under the radar? Enter powdered foods, the secret weapon of smart food storage. These versatile staples are often overlooked, but they pack a serious punch when it comes to nutrition, convenience, and longevity. Powdered foods are incredibly lightweight and take up far less space than their canned or boxed counterparts. Thanks to their low moisture content and proper packaging, many powdered foods can last for decades, some even up to 25 years or more, if you store them in airtight containers and keep them away from heat and humidity. The best part? You don't need to visit specialty stores or order online to get started. Many powdered foods are available right at your local grocery store, making them both accessible and budget-friendly for anyone looking to boost their emergency preparedness. In this video, I'll walk you through the top 11 powdered foods that deserve a spot in your long-term storage plan. I'll also share practical tips on how to store them properly so you can maximize their shelf life and ensure your family is ready for anything. Whether you're a seasoned prepper or just starting out, get ready to discover some game-changing options that will level up your food prep game and give you peace of mind for years to come. When it comes to building a solid foundation for your emergency food storage, non-fat powdered milk stands out as a true MVP. It's not just a backup for your morning cereal. This versatile staple is a powerhouse of nutrition and practicality, making it an essential addition to any long-term pantry. Non-fat powdered milk is loaded with protein and calcium, both of which are crucial for maintaining health during emergencies when fresh food might be scarce. Unlike regular milk, which can spoil quickly, non-fat powdered milk can last up to 30 years if stored properly in a cool, dry place and kept sealed in airtight containers or mylar bags with oxygen absorbers. This incredible shelf life means you can stock up with confidence, knowing your supply will be ready whenever you need it. Its uses go far beyond just drinking. You can reconstitute it for a glass of milk, stir it into your coffee, or use it in baking to add moisture and nutrition to breads, pancakes, and muffins. It's also perfect for creamy sauces, soups, and casseroles, performing almost identically to fresh milk in most recipes. This flexibility makes it invaluable for keeping meals familiar and comforting, even in uncertain times. Choosing the non-fat version is key for long-term storage. The absence of fat means it won't go rancid, so it stays fresh and safe to use for decades. Whole milk powder, by contrast, has a much shorter shelf life because the fat can spoil over time. Non-fat powdered milk is also lightweight, making it easy to transport or store in bulk. It's simple to portion out exactly what you need, and it dissolves quickly in water, so you can whip up a batch of milk or add it directly to recipes without any hassle. If you're serious about stretching your food supply and ensuring your family gets the nutrition they need, non-fat powdered milk is a must-have. It's a smart, reliable choice that forms the backbone of any well-prepared emergency pantry. Cornstarch isn't just for thickening sauces, it's a long-term storage powerhouse. With almost no moisture or fat, it can last over 25 years if kept airtight and dry. Beyond thickening, it's useful for homemade baking powder and even soothing skin irritation. It's lightweight and compact, so it won't hog shelf space. Store it in airtight containers or mylar bags with oxygen absorbers in a cool, dark spot. That way, it'll stay fresh for decades. Baking soda is a pantry staple that goes way beyond baking. It lasts for decades and is useful for cleaning, deodorizing, and even personal care. In the kitchen, it's your go-to leavening agent for quick breads and pancakes. Its simple, stable composition means it won't degrade if kept dry and sealed. Store it airtight and away from strong odors. Mylar bags with oxygen absorbers work great. A cool, dry spot will keep it potent for years. White sugar is a long-term storage champion. It literally never spoils if kept dry and airtight. Essential for sweetening, preserving, and even fermenting, sugar is affordable and easy to store in bulk. It's a morale booster and adds variety to meals in tough times. Just keep it in airtight containers in a cool, dry place. Skip oxygen absorbers for sugar. They can cause it to harden. Stash it away and forget about it until you need it. Salt is one of the oldest and most essential food storage items, used for preserving, flavoring, and even as currency. It never spoils, making it perfect for long-term storage. Salt is critical for flavor and preserving foods like pickles and jerky. Buy it cheaply in bulk and keep it in airtight containers to prevent moisture. No need for oxygen absorbers, just keep it sealed and dry. Salt will always be ready when you need it. Instant coffee might not seem essential, but a hot cup can be a huge morale boost in tough times. Thanks to dehydration, instant coffee can last over 25 years if stored right. It's lightweight, compact, and easy to prepare. Just add hot water. Coffee brings comfort and routine, which matter in emergencies. Store it in its original container or Mylar bags with oxygen absorbers in a cool, dark place. That preserves both flavor and shelf life. Cocoa powder is your ticket to chocolate treats, even in emergencies. Choose unsweetened cocoa powder. No fat means a shelf life of over 25 years. Use it for baking, hot chocolate, or adding antioxidants to your diet. Store airtight in Mylar bags with oxygen absorbers in a cool, dark spot. Enjoy chocolatey comfort for decades. Powdered honey is a game changer. Longer lasting and easier to store than liquid honey. It's sweet, stable, and won't crystallize or ferment over time. Use it for baking, drinks, or sprinkling on cereal. Store in airtight containers or Mylar bags away from humidity. Powdered honey is becoming easier to find, especially online. Potato flakes are quick, filling, and versatile. Perfect for emergency food storage. They last over 25 years if kept dry and oxygen-free. Use them for instant mashed potatoes, thickening soups, or even as breading. Store in Mylar bags with oxygen absorbers in a cool, dry, dark place. Enjoy classic comfort food anytime. Powdered eggs solve the problem of short-lived fresh eggs, lasting over 25 years if stored right. They're lightweight, nutritious, and work in almost any recipe calling for eggs. Perfect for omelets, baking, or breakfast scrambles. Store in Mylar bags with oxygen absorbers in a cool, dark place. Once opened, use quickly, but unopened. They're good for decades. A reliable protein source for any emergency. Powdered spices are your secret weapon for keeping meals flavorful during long-term storage. Some, like cinnamon and cloves, can last up to 25 years if stored airtight and away from light. Spices are lightweight, concentrated, and help prevent food fatigue. Store in Mylar bags with oxygen absorbers in a cool, dark place. Many spices also have antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. A well-stocked spice collection transforms bland meals into something you'll actually enjoy. There you have it, 11 essential powdered foods that can last for decades if stored properly. These versatile staples are not only perfect for emergencies, but they're also incredibly convenient for everyday cooking, baking, and meal prep. Whether you're looking to save space, reduce waste, or simply be prepared for the unexpected, powdered foods are a smart addition to any pantry. By stocking up now, you can build a rock-solid emergency food supply that gives you peace of mind and security for your family. Imagine knowing you have nutritious options on hand no matter what life throws your way, be it a power outage, natural disaster, or just a busy weeknight. Even if you start small, just adding 1 or 2 powdered foods to your pantry is a huge step forward. Over time, you'll build a reliable reserve that can help you stretch your grocery budget and keep your meals interesting. Remember, proper storage is absolutely key to making your powdered foods last. Think HALT. That stands for heat, air, light, and time. Each of these factors can shorten the shelf life of your food if you're not careful. Always keep your foods away from heat sources like stoves, ovens, or direct sunlight. A cool environment helps preserve nutrients and flavor. Store your powdered foods in airtight containers to protect them from air and moisture. Keep them in a dark place, away from light, and remember that time is on your side when you store things right. For the best results, use Mylar bags with oxygen absorbers. This combination can dramatically extend the shelf life of your powdered foods, keeping them fresh and safe for years to come. And don't forget to pick a cool, dry, and dark spot for your storage. Think basement, cellar, or a dedicated pantry corner away from heat and humidity. Anyone can start building a practical food storage plan this week. Just make a checklist, set a small goal, and take action. It's easier than you think, and every little bit helps. So why not make it happen? Take the first step today and set yourself up for greater self-reliance and peace of mind. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more practical tips on preparedness, food storage, and DIY projects. We're here to help you stay ready for anything.